with the BILT app, being able to just send the customer right to the link, right to the app, gives it easy download for them, and they can just jump in and see everything that's on there and walk through that installation process super easily.
Plus, if there's any troubleshooting that needs to happen before, after the install, it is the easiest thing in the world to say, just go to the BILT app. There you can see exactly what I would try to explain. Communication is always the hardest thing, trying to help them understand, like, okay, hey, this is what you need to do. But with the BILT app, they can see it, they can twist it, they zoom in, zoom out, they can see it all in process, and it's been a huge help for us.
You know, the phone calls we used to get from customers, it just takes up time. It takes us away from being able to focus on other things, which is sales and increasing the customer experience for the rest of the products. And so when we can keep ourselves off of the phone, trying to walk somebody through a simple procedure that they can easily find on the BILT app, it makes it, you know, it's much more cost effective for us to focus on the business side as opposed to the customer service side.
We always get calls because people love the doors, right? But there are significant less calls coming in saying, especially when they use the BILT app. If they use the BILT app, we don't ever get calls. It's great, right? Not that I love our customers. I love you all. But yeah, I love it when BILT can take care of them. I love how people put it is that carries on the quality of our product all the way through installation, and that's really hard for us because we don't install our doors, right? But we want to make sure that they have the best experience possible.
Bottom line is, when people call in, it saves us a ton of time because we can redirect them to BILT. They can download the app. Everything that they're looking to do gets accomplished, and it saves us time through the course of our day. Fantastic job.